Lokesh was very passionate about bringing technical companies here. FiCare was a fantastic example of a company that actually used that opportunity and also grew above and beyond, right? Like Sir was saying, we are at 630 plus employees or colleagues over here. We're going to grow to 1,000 employees over here. I think this is fantastic because at that point in time, the number of women will be 600 plus out of 1,000 employees, which is fabulous. And I think it's also really important because నేను గత 3-4 days గా చాలా మంది మహిళలతో మాట్లాడుతున్నాను, చాలా మంది ఫ్యామిలీస్ తో మాట్లాడుతున్నాను. వాళ్ళంతా చెప్పేది ఏంటంటే ఇక్కడ జాబ్స్ సరిగా దొరకట్లేవు. అదే కాకుండా if they want to get their children skilled in specific areas, they have to send them all the way to Hyderabad. It's very expensive for them to do that. Jobs also they're not able to get here locally, so they're having to get their children employed there, which is a very sad situation because most parents want their children to be around over here. We want our state to flourish. We want our capital region to flourish, and especially E3 capitals mess wala, a lot of it is dislocated. A lot of companies that were supposed to come to the IT park here in Mangalgiri haven't come. There's very few of us that are here. There's FiCare, there's probably Vsoft, the few companies that had come about 5.5 to 6 years back. So we haven't seen any progress in that space, though we have so much fantastic talent of people in technology. So we're really passionate about it, about the cause of development, especially in the technical space, in the technology space. And along with that, we are equally passionate about welfare. Welfare everyone will provide, be it the current party which is in power, be it TDP, anyone will provide. But Nizanga is sustainable growth, sustainable job creation, sustainable development anedi, that is very important for us because that is what will help our state flourish for the decades to come. And this magic can be done only by Chandrababu Naidu garu. We all know it. He's done it in Hyderabad. He's done it in Telangana. That is why Hyderabad today is like an international city. Don't you agree with me? Yes. We have a fantastic airport. We have a fantastic ring road. We have a fantastic set of companies. There's international, multinational companies. He was the first to bring Microsoft to India. It was Microsoft's first office outside of Seattle, such at that scale. He was the first to bring Google to India. He brought several other countries. He brought Bill Clinton to India, Tony Blair to India, several such, global leaders. And on the other hand, he's also done a lot of welfare, specifically for women. He was the first to actually scale Dwakara groups to that big, a scale in India, and then it became a model for the rest of India, like how technology became a model for the rest of India, right? So I'm really proud of all this. I'm really proud to see all of you for using this opportunity that you have also so well, and to be seeing all of you, to be working on a national holiday. All of you are very hardworking, and I think all of you, I see a little bit of disgruntlement, but it's really nice, and all of you are very responsible people. I know that all of you will think responsibly and make responsible decisions. I'm not here to ask you for votes, but I'm here to ask you to inspire everyone around you. There are so many educated people, right, who don't want to go vote. They don't want to go in the hot sun, especially this election. It's in May. It's the peak of summer. There are a lot of people who don't want to go out and vote. Please inspire people around you to vote because I think this election now is the time. It will heavily impact our generation, our future generations as well. I have a 9-year-old son, and I always keep wondering, what will he do in Andhra Pradesh, right? Going forward, how will the state be, right? So I think it's very important for all of you to go out and inspire people to first go and vote, and when they vote, to think very, very responsibly, not just about the next 5 years to come, but about the decades to come. Going forward in Andhra Pradesh, we want our state to be number one. That's Chandrababu Naidu garu's and Lokesh's vision as well. We want our Mangalgiri to do well. It's a capital region. We have to prosper. We have to be like another Hyderabad. There is no second question about it. So I would like to encourage all of you to inspire all the women and all your family members, all your friends, your communities, and to use their right to vote. It's also their responsibility. and encourage them to think very responsibly going forward. I wish you all the best.